What's the meaning of aptitude? Aptitude. Aptitude.
Aptitude. Aptitude. Aptitude refers to a person's natural ability or tendency to excel in a particular area, such as problem-solving, creativity, or physical prowess. It is often considered an innate trait that some individuals have, while others may need to work harder to develop similar skills. Aptitude is generally viewed as a key factor in determining one's potential for success in certain fields like science, engineering, and the arts. It can be assessed through various tests and evaluations, and can also be developed and improved through practice, training, and education.